Hi, I'm Tyler Phillips. I'm the practice manager for D. Brian Williams DDS in Charlotte, North Carolina. Dr. Williams is a sole practitioner. He's been practicing for over 20 years in this current location for 16. Dr. Williams and the staff are a small, tight-knit group, and we have worked hard to expand the practice to the point we needed a new space. So that being said, we started searching for ways to make the practice more efficient, and one thing we decided to do was to move locations. So we're in the current process of building our new location. We're going from 3 operatories to 6. After doing several demos with many different companies, we chose CareStack for the ease of use. It's very user-friendly. It's very efficient. It makes my life easier to be able to do everything on one system. We don't have to deal with multiple vendors like we did in the past. CareStack offers is the online patient boarding, so paperless boarding for new patients. And it's very nice to be able to create that new patient appointment, and they get the link for the patient portal, go on, complete paperwork. We are able to communicate with them via text and email straight from the system. If a patient has an outstanding balance, they can go into the portal, make payment, and it goes directly into their ledger with utilizing Blue Pay. These things are really important to us because it cuts down on errors in the practice. The customer support has been phenomenal. They have a chat feature, and usually within 1 minute, if you start chatting, you have someone there to assist you. And if they don't know the answer, they're going to find somebody who does. So that's a huge part of continually growing with the practice and growing with the system. They seem to get better every day, and we are very happy with all the services we're utilizing.